Guys, I haven't done a video in a while, as always, but somebody gave me a couple machines to oil and see what I can do to get them going. I haven't looked at any of them. I glanced at a Kenmore. It's a 385. And if you hear dogs in the background, I do have one dog that is whining all the time. So, and here he comes. Anyway, so this is the machine. So we're going to take off this thing right here. We don't need that. It's just the storage for the, whatever you want to put in there. We're going to open this up and see, it actually looks pretty clean. I don't see a lot of dust bunnies in there. Alright, so like I said, I don't see any dust bunnies in there, but we're going to brush it anyway, because, that's what we should do. I don't even see any dust. Alright, we're going to take off the thread, and I forget what this is called, but this is for preventing static electricity on your machine, or in your machine. So then we're going to take a little screwdriver, and I'm going to unscrew this screw. I don't have a manual, so I'm going by what little experience I have, and we're just going to oil anything that moves or rubs against metal against metal. So we're going to do that. I might have to, oh, there we go. That was easy enough. And the bobbin, I forget what these, is that the bobbin wheel? I forgot. But it looks pretty good. It doesn't even look like it's been hardly used. So I'm going to put that to the side. It's good to have a bin to have all your stuff. That way you don't lose it. And the gears are nylon. So this machine, I mean, it is a workhorse, but it's not like the older ones. So, alright. So next, now I'm sure there's a way to take this whole face or front area off. I'm sure there is a way, but I don't see any screws handy, like readily seen. I'm sure they're probably on the bottom. So we are going to just focus on oiling what I can here, which would be here in this hole, and once you oil it, you're going to turn the hand wheel towards you, and then okay, let's see, I don't remember. I think I'm going to oil that because that's a bar, so I'm going to oil that. So I'm going to oil here and here, okay, because that's moving. And then I'm going to oil over here, but let's do this first. A little oil thing here. It has sewing machine oil. That's the only thing I use. Some people use other things, but I just stick to what I know. And it's good to have an oil thing that has this long nozzle, since we will need to do that. Okay, so I am going to oil just one little drop of oil right there. And then I'm going to, turn the hand wheel, and see there's another hole there. You probably can't see it, but I turn the hand wheel towards me, and there's another hole there. A little bit of oil. Turn it again. I don't know how many holes are in here, but we will do it again just in case. Just one little drop. Oh, I know you can't see it, but there's a little bar there. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil there. Just a little bit. Like a dab. That's it. Okay? And then I'm going to turn that. I wonder if I need to put a little bit of oil in that too. Okay, all right. So just turn the wheel a few times. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this back. Let's see, where's my screw? Using my dad's screwdriver. All right, so of course my dog's in the background. So we're going to oil, let's see, we're gonna oil the needle bar, a little bit here, just a little bit. And then we're going to put a little drop of oil there. And then, let's see, I'm turning the hand wheel so that this is all the way up. All right, so I don't know if you could see it. There's a little hole here for oil. So we're gonna put it right there. Okay. And then this part, this is the needle bar. I don't know what I was talking. A little bit of oil there and a little bit here. I don't see any more oil spots. All right. Move the hand wheel towards you so you can get the oil, working. Because sometimes when you do the oil and then you start sewing, oil will drop down on your fabric. So when we once I get it all done and I sew with it, I'm not going to use like nice fabric. I'm going to use a scrap piece, And let's see. Now normally I would change the needle, but I'm gonna just keep that there for now. And then if the top and the side looks anything, if this looks like anything on the top and the side, there's probably nothing to do down here, but we're just gonna glance. You never know, maybe there's like a piece of something in there, like a piece of fuzz or something. But don't lose your screw. All right, I'm going to put it, oops, right there. And then there's another screw here. Let me see if I could do this with one hand. I need to find like a thing where I can put my phone on, like, my chest or my head, just to have it so that I can videotape and then do this with two hands, because this is hard. Some of the machines have two different screws on the faceplate. Throat plate, not faceplate. So I put the one that's, the one screw is over there, but the other screw I'm going to put in the bin over here, okay? All right, then we're going to gently, and carefully, pull that off. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. I don't even see any dust. There's a little bit right there. I need to see if there's like a mini vac or something, a vacuum that I can use. Now I could take this apart over here, but I'm not gonna mess with the feed dogs. I've actually never messed with the feed dogs. Oh, there's fuzz right there. And I'm kind of nervous about messing with those. So we're not gonna do that today. All right, that looks pretty good. I don't know if we're supposed to oil the feed dogs. And then this is a bottom loading machine. So the bobbin is down here. Sorry about that. Doesn't look too bad down there. I looked earlier. I didn't really see any dust, but I did. Oh, there's an oil point. Isn't this an oil point? I'm just gonna oil it anyway. Okay. And then I know there's an oil point. Let's see, let me take this out. We don't really, let's see. Right, there we go. I don't see anything. I don't see any dust bunnies. Actually, I do see something down there, but I don't know if I can reach it. Don't know if I can reach it. I'm not ready to take that apart either. But we're going to oil one little drop there on the thing. And then this is called the race. All this stuff right here, the bobbin and race. And if you have any machines that you've tried to fix and you can't fix and you strip them, this mechanism right here, people are always asking for replacements. So keep your parts like that. They're easy to take apart. Even I can do it. All right, so then we're going to, I'm going to put the bobbin in a second.